Kublai baro ki viewers sin paragane ka video hingye pe yawe dei bat kini khubor Laitkam desa sin nga banbyang malada bidang thamai ha ka video bat ke channel ki changa so pha wanam plate ban yaram da ba ki share like bat subscribe nam ta ki wi pade ki update hawe dei bat ki employment news di nagliang jong ka Airport Authority of India lene AAI kalau apply ba ya kini ka recruitment notification lani ki jing pan mana ba ya kini khubor Laitkam ha ka ba de ban kini ki post bapher mo ti nak ta ka recruitment details sangne recruitment body of the jong ka AAI Airports Authority of India ha ka ba ka post name hangne ka don atri nam ta ka post manager group A but junior executive group B ka total number of posts ka don hadu lies pa approximately post but ka mode of application kan be ka online tiap ban apply online ya kitigi post kalau sedang do ka pratrik banai ba pra are jara phnu pat kan kut pade hadu ka new tarik banai ba khandai ar jara phnu ko next month no selection process kan be computer based test CBT application verification or interview but ka physical test di ka detail vacancy kalau kumni nakumta ka post manager jonki engineering civil pananchis pass of sun post namta ki engineer electrical khanriu finance life sao information technology sun architect sao law and fire service khat sao operation akupra commercial khandai cooperative planning and management service kawe ban nakumta ka post manager ka bha corporate communication atli nagwenta ka group B junior executive post pade jonki finance kade life hundredly post law hundredly operation yup khandai survey and cartography kadon pratri post ka educational qualification namta ki post manager ban ki executive kande ya ki manager civil but electrical nangta finance ki ban pendep ya ka MBA nangta ka post information technology di pendep ya ka BE lane BTech computer science namta ki architect bachelor degree in architect namta ka law professional law degree 3 years namta fire service regular bachelor of engineering lane BTech operation graduate in science commercial graduate with 2-year regular MBA marketing no di namta ki junior executive pade junior executive finance MBA law professional degree in law namta operation graduate in science namta ki survey but cartography ki bachelor degree in engineering lane BTech di namta ka age limit but ka pay scale pade kande namta ki post manager kamde bantam ya ka life arts ne mo khatra do life arts nata junior executive pade hadu arpunyo but ka relaxation namta jungi ki ST kan de sans nem namta manager komut hadu laipunyo nakamta ka post junior hadu laipu a ti ka jingsiu namta ka post manager ka jingsiu kan de rupo hajar hadu chilak prapoja but nakabenta ka post junior executive pade sau poja hadu chilak sau poja but kandon ruka approximate CTC in rupees 21 lakh per annum pinjok pada ya ka arpui lakh haga sisnem ba namta post manager ba nakabenta ka post junior executive ka CTC pinjok khat sau lakh haga sisnem di kuntuk in kumangalada bon ong yahi namta ka selection process ne ya ka computer based test application verification interview what physical or driving test mo nangta umdan kamban COEA lada pi apply ya kane free be mo namta jengki ST di lada pi ko aban apply namta bapintre ha ka airport mo lane AAI di pla balik lomba ka official website kata lomba ka www.aai.aero di lane klik ya galing ka bang bu apo ka comment pin jangan but apply na ka banta pin yo man pendap ya ki post baper lada pila pendit pendiang lane pila dep ya ki qualification kat kumba gani ka AAI kapan Kita kata hi bai dei kani khubor laikam kermen lo pila yo shibun ki jingtip ban sedang no ban apply lada pila bit yaga qualification mo tang kata hi kublei shibun bai jajar mo